if the yawning, yeah, is a distraction when I do it, in a way, it's a returning to yourself for a moment, because if you go into a eurythmy exercise, it's as if the whole body would yawn. Huh? Yeah, then it comes back, and then I say, let your breath react. That's just a small reaction of this big yawning. and then it can happen that you just have to do it physically for a moment, what in a way you do etherically. Yeah? So you just step out for a moment, you yawn, to make yourself aware of what you are doing. Okay, yes, I'm yawning, I can feel it, I'm physically, what I'm doing etherically, and then you step into the next wave of ether. Yeah? So it's just like this, it's a little stepping out and becoming aware of what you are doing anyway.